Okay, so now let's get in here and let's look and see. And it's easier probably, I've got the bike up on the lift, but we can look across and check the brake pads. And you can see plenty of brake pads still there. I'm shining the light so you can see there's plenty of pads still there on these brake pads. Now, I'm going to clean them up some more, but you can see I'm looking across, and then I'm going to come over to the other side and I'm going to take a peek. Across over here, and that pad's a little more worn, but we still got plenty of brake pad. Let me make sure, because I'm one-man operation with the phone today. I broke my camera, so I want to try to make sure I'm capturing everything for you so you can see it. But there's good brake pads still there, and I took my rotor brush and cleaned up the rotors a little bit. And the same thing on the back. Get back here and check your brake pads. And you can see, get a good look at them from here. You can see there's a pad back there. Now the backs usually is one I'm looking at the most, because sometimes on some bikes they wear unevenly. And also, if you practice tight turns, usually you're going to wear out those back brake pads a lot sooner. I see the puck and I see the pads, they look good. Got plenty of pads still there. I mean, it's worn down some, but it's still okay. I'm checking both sides. So it's just a matter of preference. I may go ahead and change these since I'm already here servicing. It's not that difficult. Like I said, when you change the brake pads, don't open your bleeder valves here and introduce air into the system. You really only need to unbolt these bolts here to swing this up. Look at these bolts. Swing this up, and then here's a pin. You can pop them pins out and replace them pads. It's about a 15-minute job. Put you some new good pads in there. Just leave that alone. You don't bleed your brakes. Look at the earlier video I did. So I might change these while I'm at it, just to give it a fresh start. Maybe good solid braking. But anyway, that's how you can kind of check. If you didn't know, you probably already knew this, but this is on a V-Strom, an 08 DL1000. Alright, hopefully this is helpful. I'm doing a series